This is BTC analysis we predicted on TikTok stream. So if you were on the TikTok live stream, I believe you made money from this trade. I want to show you the entry model used on this trade so you'll be able to master it. Although out of my entry models, I will be showing you only one. Alright, so you can start using it and stop missing out on trades, or probably market stopped you out before going in your direction, or maybe you just want to master a good entry model. All right, and again, I personally use this when I see them, but just so you know, they don't occur all the time. On this trade here, volatility 75s trade, we predicted that played out nicely, and I saw the entry model. That was the reason we took it on the VIP group. So if you're on the VIP group, I believe you also made money from this trade, and also other trades that we have been predicting. So what entry model is this? This entry model is called liquidity sweep entry. I call it liquidity sweep entry because it has to take out liquidity of the previous either low or candle week. And if you have the checkmate entry book, which is this, for those of you that have this book, please DM me. If you have the book, I will add you to the VIP group. So whichever book you have, you are eligible to join the VIP group and take my trade whenever I see them. So for those of you that have the book, go to page number 41, and this is the liquidity sweep entry model. Now, how does it work? All right, it works based on three. You can use it based on 3 points of interest. You can use it on order block, you can use it on breakout block, you can use it on support and resistance zones, basically. And how does it work? You can either use it when there is a double top, mostly candle rejection and engulfing. And this particular entry model book, I've stated the time frame which all the strategy can be used on. For this particular liquidity sweep, I executed it on the 15 minutes, or I like using it more on the 15 minutes. Or probably you just have to master the 15-minute time frame for you to use this nicely. And this is how it looks like, right? We must sweep the low either of the swing or the candle low, like I said. And this is for the buy trend. Hold on. So either we can sweep any liquidity from this spot, so we use the low right here. So let me basically show you on the live chart how it works. Or let me use let me use 50 volatility 50, because this is one of my favorite pair. Like I said, you can use it on 3 aspects. You can use it on breakout block. Where is that? Let me go back. You can use it on order block. You can use it on breakout block, and you can also use it on support and resistance. And what time frame are you using? The 15-minute time frame. Coming back here, this is 1 hour time frame, volatility 50. What can you see? This is a key level, basically known as the support or resistance region. Then you go to the 15-minute time frame. Now, what can you see? After, let's assume this was the key level here. That is not enough. So what can you see here is a liquidity sweep, which is similar to the downtrend example. I have both uptrend and downtrend. Oh, okay, this is it. I have one. Even the example here, this example is for order block, example for breakout block, example for key levels, right? So as you can see, this is basically what we saw here. And what do you have to do? Wait for engulfing. Personally, I like doing this. I like using the engulfing. What's it called? Doji to enter, but doji is a bit aggressive, so that is why you have to wait for engulfing. But when you are doing this, make sure you already know how to identify the trend. If you don't know how to identify the trend, then make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube, because I have a couple of videos that can literally teach you how to identify directional. I think I have a video on directional bias on this channel. I definitely do have a directional bias video on this channel. I do. Yeah, this is it. This is a directional bias video, and again, I can literally see other this one as well that shows you how to know when reversal is coming. Basically, this one again is a directional bias video that shows you how to know the trend, because if you can identify the trend, you miss it out. Another thing that you have to keep in mind when you want to master entry confirmation is your point of interest. Now, I will tell you this for free. If you want to master entry confirmation and the entry confirmation you are using is on a wrong POI, you're already messing up that entry confirmation. You will hit stop loss a lot. So make sure first thing first, your POI is correct. So basically, if you want me to make a video specifically on POI, let me know in the comment section below. I think I have a video on POI, but not as detailed as okay, this one as well, how to identify high probability POIs and order block. This one can help, but if you still want me to make more videos about POIs, do let me know in the comment section. Now, that out of the way, then your stop loss is going to be here. Take profit is going to be on the recent low, because this is aggressive trading. You can either target this low, aim for 1 to 3. Okay, this is like 1 to 2.5. If you can hold the trade, then basically you can aim at this aspect. Now, I'm not showing you how to take profit. I'm showing you how to use the liquidity sweep entry. So this is a liquidity sweep. What liquidity sweep is this? That's for the, what's it called, the support and resistance. What about the order block? Let's see. Okay, I can see a good one here. Let me delete everything here. So look at this. Before we mitigated this point of interest, we had a stuff here, a breakout structure, but I will call this one a breakout block entry model, because we have this entire key level right about that spot. And if you notice, this one here took out this liquidity. All right, this is more like a swing low liquidity. Why is it? How is it swing low? If we remove this key level, which is support and resistance, let me delete it. Let's assume we want to mark our breakout structure of this move. We'll call this a break of structure right here. Then the swing low of that entire movement is this, as you can see. All right, so we took out the swing low liquidity sweep is the best, but not all the time market do give you the swing low liquidity sweep. And again, we did a candle sweep right here, but the one that I can easily spot is that liquidity sweep. Then what do? After the liquidity sweep, wait for the engulfing, then you aim at the opposite high, or probably your nearest draw of liquidity, anyhow you want to do it. All right, now let me give you one more. Let's see if I can see. Okay, look at this. This one, I think this looks more better, but this doesn't give me exactly what I needed. We have a breakout structure here and basically a sweep right about, this is the swing low right there. That's a sweep, but this engulfing is not really a nice engulfing. What I majorly do is I go to like a time frame lower and check what is going on here. So basically my entry will be from here, but if the engulfing is sharp and you are clear with it, then you can just take the trade here, target your nearest draw of liquidity or wherever you want to target. And with this, I will not recommend tight stop loss and you being greedy with your stop loss and entry. So this is exactly how we trade. I trade the checkmate entry strategy book, and again with other strategies as well. I with my couple of entry. Let me see if I can see other couple of entry. This is the same move right here. If you want to be seeing my setup, just get a copy of the book text me and I'll add you to the VIP group. That's all you have to do, and it's a lifetime. There's no monthly fee. Or if you have the copy of the book, just text me. All right, this is someone's analysis. Let me just use this one. I can't look for it. So what can you see here? A liquidity sweep of this candle low. So this is a candle low sweep of liquidity, then engulfing. You should have been entering here, but this is aggressive entry. But although we sweep the low, this is not swing low liquidity sweep. This is candle based sweep of liquidity. And as you can see, the trade still played out nicely. And I guess this was from the breakout block POI. So I just want you to go and master this, practice it, then come back in this comment section. Let me know what you think. Is the strategy or entry model good enough? Is it profitable for you? Then let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Sorry, my mic is not that good. It's spoiled, so I'm using the direct PC to record this video. By the next video, I should be able to get a good mic, which I already ordered but not yet delivered. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow my TikTok page, and if you want to join the VIP group, get a copy of the book, then let me know. Link will be in the comment section and also in the video description. Cheers guys, see you on my next one.